Hello dear children, once again one JEE advanced question, blast from the past, complex numbers. This is also a very easy question actually. Z raised to 4, for a complex number Z, real Z denotes real part of Z. S is a set of all complex numbers satisfying Z raised to 4 minus mod Z raised to 4 is equal to 4i Z square. What is the minimum possible value of mod Z1 minus Z2, whereas Z1 and Z2 are elements belonging to that set S, which is determined by that equation. Now, satisfying these two properties. Now, Z raised to 4 minus, you know Z bar, Z bar is mod Z square. Z bar is mod Z square, right? Therefore, what is mod Z raised to 4? Mod Z raised to 4 is Z bar square. It is minus Z bar square is equal to 4i Z square. But you can cancel Z square throughout. Of course, we get a value called Z square equals 0 or Z equals 0. Z equals 0 is one solution anyway. But that solution 0 will be there in the set S. Okay. Now, if you remove Z square from this, what do you get? Z square minus Z bar square is equal to 4i. You will get 4i like that, right? Now, if you take Z square, Z as x plus iy, if you take Z as x plus iy, what is Z square? Z square is x square minus y square plus I into 2xy. Just take the real and imaginary parts and gather it. Now, what will be Z square bar or Z bar square? It will be x square minus y square minus I into 2xy. Take the conjugate on both sides. Therefore, if you subtract this, x square minus y square will go off. You get 4ixy is equal to 4i, or you can say 4xy is equal to 4. Or you can say xy equals 1. That is xy equals 1. We have two results. One is xy equals 1 and z equals 0. Z equals 0 means x equals 0, y equals 0. For you, what is the value of s? Therefore, s will be this point, that is 0, 0, z equals 0. And s will be set of all points lying on xy equals 1. You know xy equals 1 is a rectangular hyperbola like this. Xy equals 1, the graph is like this. Okay. About xy equals 1 comprises of this curve as well as this curve. And z equals 0 is this. About what is s? S contains set of all points here, and including this point. Now what's the question? Minimum possible value of mod z1 minus z2 whole square, where z1 and z2 belong to S, where real part of z1 is positive and real part of z2 is negative. Therefore, you have to take those values. See, what is the peculiarity of all points on this curve? Real part is positive, imaginary part is also positive. In this case, real part is negative, imaginary part is also negative. Therefore, this curve is entirely in the third quadrant. If it is the third quadrant, x coordinate is real part is negative, y imaginary part is also negative. This is entirely in the first quadrant. Both real part and imaginary part will be positive. Therefore, you have to take one Z1 in the first quadrant. That is, real part of real Z greater than 0 means it should be in the first quadrant. And real part of Z2 less than 0 means it should be in the third quadrant. But you take a point in S, that is Z1, which is here as well as here. And you take that 2 points, Z1 and Z2, which is having the minimum distance. You see that the minimum distance will be like this. This is the minimum distance, right? But this can be taken as Z1 and this can be taken as Z2. That's all. Continue. Or if you take this as K, this is K. Well, what will be K? What will be this? This length will be K by root 2. This also will be K by root 2. Therefore, this point will be K by root 2, comma K by root 2. And what is the value of K? Therefore, K will be, if you put here K, it is K by root 2 into K by root 2 is equal to 1, or K square equals 2, or K equals root 2. If K equals root 2, this is root 2, this is also root 2. This is root 2, this is root 2 means what the minimum distance? Therefore, mod z1 minus z2 is equal to 2 root 2. What will be mod z1 minus z2 square? It is 2 root 2 square. It is equal to 8. 8 is answer. This is a very simple question, provided you can construct that geometrically. Thank you.